If you love the aroma of butter and garlic filling your kitchen, you are going to adore this butter garlic paneer recipe that's cooked with simple ingredients yet big on flavor, making it an ideal recipe for any meal or party spread. Hi friends, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. And now let's get cooking and bring the delicious restaurant style flavor to our kitchen. And here I have taken around 250 grams of paneer or cottage cheese cut into cubes of medium portions. And now I'll prepare a quick seasoning to marinate the paneer cubes. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes some salt as per taste. Around 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. And half teaspoon of onion powder. We'll mix this once so that all these seasonings are well combined. Now let's transfer the paneer cubes into this seasoning mix. And now very gently we need to toss the seasonings with the paneer cubes so that it coats well with them. And I'm going to let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes for the flavors of the seasonings to set well with the paneer cubes. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that we'll heat around a teaspoon of olive oil and a very small cube of butter. We'll let the butter melt completely. Now let's add the marinated paneer cubes or cottage cheese one by one into the pan. And keeping the flame on low to medium, we will saute the paneer cubes until they turn golden brown from both the sides. We'll quickly flip the paneer cubes or cottage cheese so that they are evenly well browned from all the sides. And by now the paneer cubes are well sauteed and have turned golden brown from both the sides. So I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same pan we will add another small cube of butter. And as the butter starts to melt, we will add lots of finely chopped garlic as we are making butter garlic paneer. I have used here 5 to 6 large garlic pods. We'll now saute the garlic on medium flame until they turn slightly golden brown and aromatic. Next into this we'll add a teaspoon of red chili flakes for some spiciness as well as a tablespoon of mixed herbs. This will greatly enhance the flavor of our butter garlic paneer. We'll saute this for a while. Now let's add into this 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, which will add a rich and creamy texture to our butter garlic paneer. We'll mix this once. And now time to add our sauteed paneer cubes or cottage cheese. Now let's gently stir and saute the paneer cubes so that they are evenly coated in that buttery garlic goodness. And they're already smelling so good right now. And just before turning off the flame, I will add a tablespoon of either lemon or lime juice and some chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Let's give this a final mix. That's it. Our delicious butter garlic paneer is now ready to be served hot. And you can enjoy this with some herb rice for a complete meal. So friends, do try this quick and easy paneer recipe. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks. You can also check out my other interesting recipes and follow my Facebook page. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.